DMA Group secures hard FM contract with London Borough of Sutton. Like, comment and subscribe to get all the latest from our videos. Property maintenance provider DMA Group has announced its recent contract win with the London Borough of Sutton. The agreement supports a borough of 210,000 residents, focusing on sustainability and high-quality public service delivery. DMA Group will manage a wide-ranging estate, including corporate offices, libraries, children's centres, and leisure sites. The initial deal is a 3-year contract, with formal options to extend the partnership further. The contract guarantees around-the-clock emergency support and reactive repairs to ensure zero service disruption. The scope covers all hard FM, including mechanical, electrical, and fabric repairs across the council's estate. DMA will oversee all statutory compliance testing and planned preventative maintenance to keep public buildings safe. Operations will be powered by Bio, an award-winning platform that automates scheduling and provides real-time tracking for the council. This partnership is designed to help the London Borough of Sutton achieve its long-term ambitions of becoming a smarter, greener, and stronger borough. Valerie Miller, Chief Customer Officer at DMA Group, said, "The council has a clear and ambitious vision for its estate, and our role is to provide the operational reliability, compliance assurance, and digital insight to support that ambition." Lydia Stanley, Head of Facilities Management at London Borough of Sutton, said, "We look forward to a strong and collaborative partnership from the 1st of April focused on maintaining compliant and efficient buildings." To learn more, read the full article in our Contract Wins category. Read more at TWinFM.com.